Say maybe GoPro? GoPro?
With my buddies, there's a newer restaurant that is good, but dude, actually it's not good at all, dude. Dude, all three of us had, no, the food was tasty,
but you all puked?
No, other end, but like, dude, so I will not allow us to go there. Long story short, right. Dude, I'm more interested to see how the weather tower thing.
Oh, dude, yeah.
Oh yeah,
dude, yeah. That thing
forgot
blew
about that.
over.
Yeah,
I know. I want to ask someone or talk to someone about that. Like, I'm curious if it's. I'm sure they've cleaned it up or done something with it by now. I hope so.
What would they even do? I mean, I guess they can cut it up, but I mean, can they get a crane up there? Can they airlift a crane there? Can they use a helicopter to lift it out?
That's probably what it was. They'd have to use a pretty decent helicopter to get it out.
Yeah, like a sky crane, yeah.
Because that thing was massive.
It was.
Really good burrito place. Rolling fatties. Yeah, dude.
Reggaefest! I'm okay.
Getting a little fun?
I'm gonna feel that in my knee.
Oh yeah?
Not yet, but soon.
Not yet, but soon.